Hey there, it's Sherry Plotke, your local Scottsdale real estate agent, and we are in a fantastic next-gen Lennar home in Sonoran Foothills in the gated community of Copperleaf. This home is priced at $799 and has some really unique features, and it has a complete guest house area, which is perfect for a mother-in-law suite or family member, or just a separate area even to rent out. It's got a full kitchen, washer dryer, and outdoor exit and access to the 2-car garage. So this is a really great community in North Phoenix, close to lots of hiking and biking trails, easy access off of the I-17 freeway, and a really popular area for homes under the $1 million mark. And this home was built in 2023, so relatively new, and again, it's a Lennar home. property in Greater Phoenix, I'd love to chat. Please reach out. And if you're looking to learn more about our viral home selling method, if you're currently own a home in the Scottsdale area, then I'm happy to talk to you about our viral home selling method and being an exclusive Zillow showcase agent, which gets your home to the top of the Zillow searches, 90% more saves, and 90% more likes and views, which really helps maximize your sales price. It's also proven to increase your sales price by at least 2% and sell within the first 14 days.